Hello and welcome to ACHEMA. We are here at the IMA booth in the area dedicated to IMA Digital, where we can show you all our latest and most innovative solutions, tools and services using the most advanced technologies. We have connected machines, we have data-driven services, and most of all, we will present you our latest generative AI platform called IMA Intellecta, using generative AI to work with data, to work with documents. We wait for you at Hall 30 at booth F49. Looking forward to seeing you.